Dear students, welcome to our channel online class with Hema. In this video, we are going to see answers for assignment for class 12, unit 2, chapter 2, classical genetics, biobotany subject. So if you are seeing this channel for first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So first we can see the answers for 1 mark questions, part A. So first question, the dominant epistatus ratio is, the correct answer is option B, 12:3:1. This is the answer for first one. B, 12:3:1. Second question, the question is, fruit color in squash is an example of, the correct answer is B, dominant epistatus. Okay, dominant epistatus. Third one, the term genetics was introduced by, the correct answer is option C, W. Bateson. C. W. Bateson. Now fourth question, a gene can exist in alternate forms for the same trait is called. So the correct answer is option B, alleles. So the correct answer is option B. Now fifth one, observable characteristic of an organism is, the correct answer is B, phenotype. Next sixth one, the result of Mendel's dihybrid cross led him to propose, the correct answer is option C, law of independent assortment. Next seventh one, it is a genetic cross which involves individuals differentiating in two characters. The correct answer is C, dihybrid cross. Next eighth one, introgenic interaction does not include. The correct answer is option A, complete dominance. Next ninth one, an allele which has the potential to cause the death of an organism is called option B, lethal allele. Next 10th one, dominant epistatus is found in. The correct answer is option B, squash fruit. So we have completed the answers for part A. Now we are moving to part B. Part B, second question, very short answer. First question, define genetics. The answer is here, genetics is the branch of biological science which deals with mechanism of transmission of characters from parents to offsprings. This is the answer for first question, define genetics. Second question, what is population genetics? The answer is, it deals with heredity in groups of individuals for traits which is determined by a few genes. This is the answer for what is population genetics. It deals with heredity in groups of individuals for traits which is determined by a few genes. Next, third question, what is codominance? So the answer is, the phenomena in which two alleles are both expressed in heterozygous individuals is known as codominance. It is a type of intragenic interaction. Example, ABO blood group system in humans. So this is the answer for third question, what is codominance? The phenomena in which two alleles are both expressed in heterozygous individuals is known as codominance. It is a type of intragenic interaction. Example, ABO blood group system in humans. Next, fourth question, what are the 4 types of gametes formed by the influence of dihybrid cross? So the answer is, from the resultant gametes thus will be genetically different and they are of the following 4 types. from the resultant gametes. In before page the answer is it starts from the, so I have written here the resultant gametes thus will be genetically different. Starts here till 1/16. Okay, so the resultant gametes thus will be genetically different, and they are of the following four types: yellow round, yellow wrinkled, green round, green wrinkled. Okay, in page number 39. Okay, you can see this answer in page number 39. The resultant gametes thus will be genetically from there till 1/16. So next fifth question, this is the last question in part B. What is dihybrid cross? The answer starts from here. Dihybrid cross, it is a genetic cross. It is a genetic cross. It is a genetic cross which involves individuals differing in two characters. Differing in two characters. Dihybrid inheritance is the inheritance of two separate genes, each with two alleles, in page number 37. Okay, so that till this the answer starts from here and it finishes here with two alleles in page number 37. Next, part C. Question number 1. What is incomplete dominance? So the answer starts from here. This cross did not exhibit the character of the dominant parent but an intermediate color pink. When one allele is not completely dominant to other allele, it shows incomplete dominance. Such allelic interaction is known as incomplete dominance. So no need to write this cross. From here you can write when one allele, okay, from here allele is not completely dominant to another allele, it shows incomplete dominance. Such allelic interaction is known as incomplete dominance. This is the answer for first question in part C. Next, second question, what is epistatic? What is epistatic? The answer starts from here. The gene that suppresses or masks the phenotypic expression of a gene at another locus is known as epistatic. So this is the answer for second question in part C. In page number 42. In page number 42. Question number 1 is in page number 40. Okay, incomplete dominance. Okay, it is in the page number 40. Next, second question, what is epistasis, is in the page number 42. Next, third question, what is reciprocal cross? In page number 36. In page number 36, the answer starts from here, reciprocal cross. From here, in one experiment, the tall pea plants were pollinated. From there till this paragraph ends. So till Forkline method. This is the answer for reciprocal cross. I'll show you slowly. Next, fourth question, define genetics. In this question, the answer in page number 31, The answer starts from here, genetic subdivision. From there, the science of heredity of inheritance, the branch of science, it completes here. And then the four major disciplines of genetics: transmission genetics, molecular genetics, population genetics, quantitative genetics. Till this, the answer. This is the fourth question. In page number 31, the answer starts from the science of heredity. Genetics is a branch of biological science which deals with the mechanism of transmission of characters from parents to offspring. The term genetics was introduced by W. Bateson in 1906. The four major subdisciplines of genetics are transmission genetics, classical genetics. Then you have to define it. Next, second subdivision, molecular genetics, define it. Third one, population genetics, define it. Then fourth one, quantitative genetics, define it till simultaneously. This is the answer for fourth question in part C. Next, fifth question in part C. This is the last question in part C. In page number 46. In page number 46, define atavism. The answer starts from here till in plants. Okay, this is the answer for fifth question. Define atavism is a modification of biological structure whereby an ancestral trait reappears after having been lost through reemergence of sexual reproduction in the flowering plant. Hercalcium pilosella is the best example for atavism in plants. So we have completed the part C. Now we are moving to part D. This is the last part. Now part D. Question number 1. Write the importance of variations. So in page number 32, the importance of variations, in that subdivision you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subdivisions are there. It starts from your variations make some individual better exist a structure for existence. Next, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point. So till here. Okay, so this is the answer for first question in part D. It is very small. So second point, third point, it provides a genetic material for natural selection. Next, variation allow breeders to improve better yield, quicker growth. They constitute the raw materials for evolution. Okay, this is the answer. So we have completed first question. Now moving to second question. Next, second question. Explain incomplete dominance in Mirabilis jalapa. Okay, this is the question. So subdivision, incomplete codominance, no blending of genes. Okay, from here the German botanist, you can see this name Mirabilis jalapa. This is a question, this is the answer. So the answer starts from here in page number 40. Okay, in page number 40 the answer starts from here till next page. In next page till the flowers shown below till here. Incomplete 4 o'clock plant. This you no need to write incomplete dominance. After drawing this tower diagram, you have to write incomplete dominance in 4 o'clock plant. Okay, this is the answer. So we have completed the answers for assignment for biobotany subject set 2, that is unit 2. So chapter 2 classical genetics unit 2 assignment answers. So if you are seeing this channel for first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel, share to your friends, and if you want any other assignment answers, comment in the comment box. So Thank you.